If you permanently lost or deleted your most important files like photos, videos, audios, PDF, etc., then don't worry. Here I'll show you the recovery process of your data. Before starting this video, let's delete some files permanently. Okay, now to recover your files, you have to follow 3 steps. Firstly, download and install 4DDIG Windows Data Recovery software. Now click on Start. In the second step, scan the drive from where your files are permanently deleted. After completing the scanning process, find your deleted files or folders. In the last step, select the files and click on Recover. Here you can free recover up to 100 MB by sharing this software in Facebook or Twitter. Also, if you want to recover more than 100 MB, then you have to purchase a package. Before purchasing a package, must check Trustpilot reviews and others pricing. Okay, now let's see how to purchase a 4DDIG data recovery software pack. From here, you can copy the coupon code . Then click on Buy Now. After purchasing a package, you will get the registration code on your Gmail. Then just copy paste the registration code and your Gmail. Then active this package. Now you can recover unlimited files by using this 4DDIG data recovery software. Next, you have to click on Recover. Here you have to save the files on a different drive, not the deleted drive from where your files were deleted. By this process, you can recover unlimited files which are permanently lost from your PC. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates.